Hey everybody, welcome back to the Race 5 Smokehouse and Grill, and today we are making these beautiful prosciutto wrapped shrimp on the Weber Kettle. Let's go! Now this has been a house favorite of ours for some times, and it's really simple, and we usually do it in the house under the broiler, but it's only going to be elevated doing this on the Weber Kettle. So let's get right into it. We're going to start with 1 pound of raw shrimp here. Now these things are looking gorgeous. Give them a quick spread out here. We're just going to give it a quick seasoning with the Heath Riles Simple Citrus. This is great on seafood. It has that nice bright flavor, a little salty. So we're just going to give this a light dusting. And I'm not gonna do both sides. I'm just gonna do the one and then kind of toss them around here on the cutting board. Because that prosciutto we're gonna wrap it in, that's also pretty salty, so we're not trying to overdo it here. That's gonna be plenty of seasoning on these. Next step, we're gonna wrap these up in this beautiful prosciutto di Parma. We got this from our local Italian deli. Amazing, amazing meat. This takes place of bacon. A lot of people call this prosciutto Italian bacon because it is a nice cured piece of pork sliced really thin. It's perfect for cooking quick cooks like these because it's not too thick. It's actually really thin, so it's gonna cook up nice and quick for you. So let's go get a cooking rack. We're gonna wrap these and then put them right over to the rack. So take a piece of your prosciutto. You can see it's almost transparent. It's almost see-through. Kind of is see-through, which is perfect for these because again, this is going to be a fast cook. So I give it a quick little fold here. We're just going to wrap it up. Here you go. One nice prosciutto wrapped shrimp. We're going to keep doing that to these. And if you'd like, you could actually go a little bit thinner. You could tear the prosciutto in half and wrap it that way with only about a half a piece. But this is sliced so thin, which is perfect. We're just gonna use the whole piece per shrimp. And this is gonna shrink up a bit around there and get nice and tight as you're cooking it. And just keep going. We're gonna wrap all these up and we'll be back when it's time to fire up that grill. We have our prosciutto wrapped shrimp all wrapped up here. Now the prosciutto is a little bit of a drier cut of meat, so we are throwing one more bit of seasoning on here. And in order to get that to stick, I'm just gonna hit that with a little cooking spray. Not only is that gonna help the seasoning stick, but it's also gonna help crisp up and get that prosciutto looking great on the grill. Then we're gonna top this with some Meat Dave all-purpose seasoning. I've been using this stuff a ton on my cooks. It's a great seasoning on top of things. There's got a good peppery kick to it, a little bit of salt. This seasoning is great on everything. These are all seasoned up. Let's go get that Weber Kettle fired up. Today we're using Jealous Devil lump charcoal. We're gonna take a small chimney of lit coals and put it over some unlit coals. Let that come up to temperature, get nice and hot, and we're gonna be cooking this in an offset method where the lit coals are on one side of the grill and the food's on the other side of the grill. But once this grill gets up to temp, we're gonna throw these on. Let's go. Grill's up to temp and looking great. Let's go ahead and get these shrimp on. And again, we're gonna be doing offset where we have the coals on one side, food on the other side to help it cook a little bit slower but still get that heat. We're gonna close this up and then come back in about 20 minutes and see how we're doing here. This is not gonna be a long cook. We want to see that prosciutto starting to crisp up and get a good color on it. We want that shrimp to get up to about 120, 130. And if that prosciutto and the shrimp's ready to start getting glazed, we're going to be hitting it with Big Wick's pepper jelly Fuego. This is their new stuff. Great pepper jelly glaze. It tastes great on everything, but this one is kicked up a little bit. It's got some great spice to it. Really looking forward to trying it on this. I haven't done it yet, so this is going to be great. I know it. So we'll be back when it's time to check those shrimp. These are coming along quickly. Let's go take a look at them and see if they are ready to sauce up. These are looking phenomenal. You can tell that the color's changing on that shrimp. We're getting a little more pinkish look here. So these are close to done. We're gonna hit them with this glaze right across the top here. And we're just layering flavors right now. Grill's closed up. We're only gonna go for another 5-10 minutes, let that glaze really tack up and get a little charry, crusty. It's gonna be beautiful. We're gonna pull it off here in a few minutes and try. Be back when it's time to taste. These prosciutto wrap, big Wick's, pepper jelly, Fuego glazed shrimp are done. They are looking too good to eat, but we are going to eat them. Let's try one of these guys here. This one's calling my name. Just looks absolutely gorgeous. Let's do this. Everything about this is wonderful. There's a great kick from that pepper jelly's Fuego glaze. That Heath Riles Simple Citrus and Meat Dave just set it over the top with that prosciutto, which gives such a rich, cured flavor. Phenomenal. You got to try this at home. And on top of that, being on the Weber kettle, you get that great smoky barbecue flavor to it as well. Definitely a must try. Let me know how it goes when you do try it. If you like what we did here, please hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, check me out on social media, and we'll be talking to you all soon. Thanks again, everybody. Take care. Peace.